Guys, I got such an amazing Black Friday deal. I have to tell you about it. So, actually I was shooting on Sony APS-C and full frame cameras, and I was reviewing only Sony lenses. But a few weeks ago I met one of my subscribers and he told me, Dirk, you should definitely try to get your hands on a Panasonic camera and then also review some Panasonic gear and lenses. And then there was Black Friday and I got the GH6 for such an amazing price. I paid $2,300 for the body, for the Leica 12 to 60mm lens and an additional battery. This is truly a bargain. When you take a look how much I saved, I would say about 800 bucks. I couldn't resist. Opening the box, we do have the manual and the warranty information. This is the lens hood for the Leica lens that's included. And here we do have our 12 to 60mm Leica lens. In the rear compartment is a little bracket. We do have some cables. Here's the AC adapter. This is the battery charger. And here's our battery. Within my Black Friday deal I also got an extra battery, and these alone run about $70. There is the strap for the camera. And finally, here is the GH6. Oh, fantastic. A beautiful camera. I still can't believe that I was shooting all the time on a Sony camera when I could have recorded everything on this one. I'm like a little child on his birthday, very excited. So I wanted to share this with you real quick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, next Sunday I'll have a new video for you. Till then, take care and bye for now.